Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Call of Duty Black Ops 7 game crashing, not launching, not loading, lagging, black screen, low FPS or other issues on PC. So let's go through it. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your system. Once your system restarts, launch the game and check if it's working or not. If not, next method is to update graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now expand display adapters, select your graphics card, right click on it and click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will search and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and see if it helps. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to modify launch options. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on properties, and here under general, here you have to type -D X11 and then launch the game and check if it is working or not. If not, again come back, type -D X12 and then try to play the game and see if it is working. If not, next is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now here you have to click on firewall and network protection, allow an app through firewall. After that, click on change settings and now here you have to search for the game if it's listed. If not, don't worry, click on allow another app, then go to the browse section and this will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application. After that, add it to the list over here. After adding it, select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked. Then click on OK and launch the game and see if it helps. If not, next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will verify and install the files. After that, launch the game and check if it is working now. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So for that, go to Steam. Now click on Steam option, then click on settings. After that, click on in-game. And here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If it is enabled, you have to simply click on it to disable it. Once done, launch the game. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. For that, go to the Windows search for task manager. Now here you have to check for those apps which are of no use but running in the background. Now after selecting them, right click on it and click on end a task. Once done, try to play the game. Next method is to run game as administrator. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. After that, this will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Here you have to select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, then click on compatibility and select run this program as an administrator and then click on apply and OK. Now launch the game and check if it is launching or not. If not, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7, click on apply and OK and launch the game. If it doesn't help, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it is working now. If not, next method is to install Visual C++ files. For that, go to the link given in the description, just copy and paste it in your browser. Now after the website opens, here you have to go below and click on the Visual C++ file link. This will download the file. Once the file is downloaded, you have to click on it to open it. Now click on repair or install option and you have to wait for some time. Now after this, restart your PC once and after restarting, again launch the game and check if you can play it. Next method is to increase virtual memory settings. For that, go to the Windows search for view advanced system settings. Now click on settings and click on advanced, then click on change. Now here you have to select the drive where your game has been installed. After that, click on custom size and here you have to type 12288 in the initial size and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. Then click on set and then click on OK. Once done, launch the game and check if it is working or not. If not, next method is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled such as NVIDIA Shadowplay, MSI Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next solution is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Now this will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option and it will check if there is any update available, you have to update your Windows to the latest version and then try to launch the game. Next solution is to clear download cache. For that, go to the Steam. Now click on Steam option, then click on settings. After that, go below, click on downloads, then again go below, and here you can see clear download cache. Beside it, clear cache option is available. Simply click on it and this will pop up to clear the download cache. You have to clear the download cache and restart your Steam. You need to log into Steam again, and after that launch the game and check if it is working now. If not, next method is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. After that, you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add a desktop app. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application, add it to the list over here. Once done, select your game, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance. Once done, launch the game and check if it is working or not. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Call of Duty Black Ops 7 game. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage and click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game completely from your system. Once done, restart your PC. After restarting, launch Steam and reinstall Call of Duty Black Ops 7 once again and click on play button and check if it is working or not. So through this method, you can easily fix Call of Duty Black Ops 7 game not launching, crashing, not loading, lagging or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.